Are you wondering if you can embed a video in an AWeber broadcast? You're not alone. Many people run into the same question when using AWeber to send emails to their audience. So, in this quick AWeber guide, I'll give you the answer, but stick around till the end, because I'll also share some alternatives that might work better for your email campaigns. First off, let's get the elephant out of the room. You can't directly embed a video into an AWeber email broadcast. While other email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit let you do this by inserting a video block, AWeber doesn't offer a native feature for video embedding. But don't worry, there are workarounds. The simplest one is to use an image that links to your video. You can take a screenshot or create a custom thumbnail of your video and link that image to your video on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. That way, when your recipients click the image, they'll be taken directly to the video. Next thing, AWeber does support HTML embeds, so if you're a little tech savvy, you can use this to embed a video player into your email. But here's the thing, HTML email embeds are tricky and can be inconsistent across email clients. Some email clients might not support it, which could leave you with a broken experience for your readers. So, while it's technically possible, it's not the most reliable option for ensuring everyone gets a smooth experience. Now, let's talk about AWeber's video integration. It allows you to integrate with video hosting platforms, but it's all about linking to your videos rather than embedding them. In fact, AWeber has a tool that lets you add a video link directly to your email's content. It's not a direct embed, but it gives you an easy way to share your video with your audience. The fourth thing to consider is how AWeber handles video tracking. AWeber can't track video views directly within the email, since you're linking out to an external platform like YouTube. So, if you're looking to track engagement with your video, you'll need to rely on the video hosting platform's analytics tools. This might be a deal breaker for some marketers who want more granular tracking data right within their email system. Now, let me ask you this. If your main goal is to include video content in your email broadcasts, does AWeber really meet all your needs? The truth is, AWeber might not be the best choice for video-centric campaigns, and there are some alternatives that could work better. At the end of the day, I want to share an exclusive offer with you. We've partnered with a platform that offers a better solution for embedding and tracking video content in your emails. They even have a free trial, and when you use our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. If you're serious about improving your email marketing and video engagement, click the link in the description for your best free trial and access to all these amazing benefits. You'll be able to get started in no time with a platform designed to help you reach your goals more efficiently. Don't forget to check out those alternatives and see what works best for you.